Hey everyone! Brace yourselves, you're about to see chaos at its finest. Today's episode will make you question everything. Truth time! Met coworkers like this? Let's jump in!
Oh my god. Holy crap.
If only he were a little bit taller, everything would have been fine.
Oh! Shit. I'm not in it. Oh shit. Oh!
Slip and fall. Oh, pimp down.
Don't break your other arm, please.
And that's -1 skateboard for the winter, my friend.
What?
Like the net is actually like frozen.
Oh. No! No! Ah!
A lucky recovery for a clumsy hand.
What do you think of all this? How do people do that?
All that hard work straight down the drain.
Он что уебется?
Было бы очень.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm literally fine. Yeah.
One, two, three. Oh! Gosh!
That didn't go well.
That's a YouTube fail.
No, this fucking bitch, dude.
Big swing up, look. Big swing up. 1, 2, 3.
The price of being a show-off.
I can add, then I stay. Excuse me, we're looking for Lodge 91.
Custom automatic doors. Instructions not included.
It's almost like it got loose or something. What the heck? It broke.
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
Ich sag's, der unten ist drin. Ja, warum geht da nichts?
Thanks to that, we now have a drink-free party.
You're turning it up! Lava!
Why use a steel anchor when you can be a human anchor?
No se te va a caer todo.
Harry, ¿estás listo para cruzar a México? What is that?
He's chilling at the fucking crosswalk.
Sir, what type of deer are
My word, the deer's crossing the crosswalk.
Go on.
This is insane.
What type of deer are you?
Oh my god. This is insane. He took the fucking Jesus.
There's another one.
There it goes.
Whoa.
Shit. Damn.
He's like a little kid.
Could be one of the last ones. Okay? Ready? I'm gonna run with it. Ready?
Well done, bro.
Chegar a cagar, não cheguei, cara, mas cheguei apurado no banheiro.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be teaching you how to do nose bonk disasters. Check it out.
Bro, we're about to see some shit. Oh, you fucking idiot!
Right? But this honey, me and this honey, we be fighting. Hold up.
What? Caught it with her teeth.
That water finna start cutting up in that grease. Yeah. There it goes.
Johnny!
Holy shit. Am I okay?
No.
Perfect guy, yet still a no?
This spy hole's good, so you can see who's at the door.
I like talk to the genius who would install this security gate, because you need one card for opening them. See, it's stuck, yeah? But you can also just stick your hand inside and open them from there.
Ready? Watch the game.
Tell me I'm not seeing things.
This just in, police officers in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, were asking people to be on the lookout for a man who robbed a store. We do have his description. Can we take that? Let's take his description. So, here's a picture of the real guy next to the sketch that led to his arrest.
Nope.
He hit the speed bump. He hit the speed bump and his muffler fell off. No! Damn, it's hot!
Ain't no way I'm in my Sunday best and I just made a discovery. Look at that. It's an African-American grasshopper. Come on, focus. Oh, what the fuck?
Backup quarterback. Chandler Harnish throws and Pam Oliver.
Early morning skating. Side board slide. What the f? Whee!
Well, I want to get some cold water. Oh wait, let me change it to ambient water.
Well, you opened it, and now it's fully open.
You ready?
Yeah. Full extension.
Tag den over lysmasten, den er der ikke nogen, der bruger. Den kan du bare tage, Lasse.
supposed to? Because it's time to find out if we're gonna have a good week or a bad one. Good week.
Się pokroić nie da. Krystian, kurwa, chodź tu.
Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, thank you.
What doesn't fit will be made to fit.
Don't ever go to Dollar General to get a Swiffer. This thing is so small, dude. I feel like I'm on the curling team every time I use it.
Expectation versus reality. Haha.
Не стучите колеса. Кондуктор, нажми на тормоза. Kurwa, co to jest? I normalnie wyjebasz.
Turbulence before takeoff.
I want y'all to look at this shit when I'm riding up on Welcome to Nigga Town.
Обережно там сходи.
Да мені поїбать, бать.
What, I look like your son? Okay. Yeah. True. Yeah, we do.
Looks like you actually do.
It was like instant stomach.
Holy!
Jeszcze raz. Wyprostować. O.
Faccio del riso che abbiamo fatto con i miei vicini. Porca
Well done, bro.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Bro looks like Aquaman.
Well, that's not something you see every day.
Ahorita voy a empezar. Ahorita la verdad es que me queda bastante agua. Yo creo que me queda.
High-speed chase vibes.
Aw, hell nah, bro. They gotta sign up for this pink tutu wearing Goofy. Yo, bro, I'll literally hop over this fence and take little bro. Stop playing. Yo, who that?
Oh, no.
Yo, who that? Chill! Chill!
Hourglass. These are the days.
Arthur.
No dividers. Perfect visibility here. And then just Will Smith.
Just in case anybody else out there is also having a rough day, here's something that might cheer you up. Angry Chicken House.
Bro, did you forget something?
Sir, sorry for the wait.
Oh, thank you. No problem. I appreciate it. How much I owe you?
Oh, no worries. The person in front of you paid for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's keep this train going. How much I owe you for the people behind me?
$78.34.
Що саме прикольне в Болгарії?
Ай, боже! Чорт! Вилазь!
Güey, imagínate que luego...
Auch geil. Keine Spannung auf der Steckdose. Gucken wir mal warum.
Yes, Will! Woo! Oh no!
Bruh.
Super.
Dad,
What?
have I ever told you that I love your cooking?
No.
So why do you keep cooking for me?
Ok, finito.
Uwaga, jak inteligentni są ludzie w Holandii.
They be complaining about no heat in the school.
Motherfucker, what's up? Motherfucker, what's up? What's up, motherfucker? You're getting it. Oh!
She looked like a wind queen until...
problem. You got a problem.
Not good. Not good. Hold on. How many minutes?
And just like that, the trip was over.
Stop. Oh! You good? You good? It was like instant stomach.
Built entirely on hopes and dreams.
Mate, he's read this. Oh my god, he's on a flattener. Oh my days.
Gravity wins.
โอ้เกิดอะไรขึ้นกับฉันเนี่ยเฮ้ยเดี๋ยวนะฉันใส่เกียร์ดีทำไมมันเป็นเกียร์ R
Kurwa, która jest godzina? What? Jest, kurwa, 21:06.
Header.
Yeah!
Yeah! How dare you!
Good job, Cat.
Stawiam wszystko. الله يعطيك العافية يا عم. معاكم اللورد الصخرة.
Trying to figure out how to bust open these biscuits.
Too funny. It cracked.
Каждый проходит практику курс молодого электрика на натяжных потолках. Как его зовут?
This dumbass girl is hailing.
Yup.
How he handles his wife when she's mad.
Ich meine, du weißt schon, dass das S-Liga ist?
Easy.
Bruh.
Oh my God, literally an inch.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. You bitch.
Belly bump unlocked.
Блин, Настя, ну вообще вид невероятный просто. Блядь, Настя, там, короче, змея, смотри, блядь!
Right now,
Holy
eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Long ways to drive.
Return to sender.
What are you doing?
Oh my, oh no! Holy crap, oh my god, no way!
It's not that hard. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's easy.
bruh.
That horse is watching like it's a circus show.
Obey.
Hulk mode activated?
Tom. Oh oui. Je l'avais dit.
Hey, bro, can you throw this plate at the sink for me?
Sure, bro, I got you.
Bro, why?
Mano, duvido tu acertar aquela lá, ó. Ali no meio lá. Sem utilizar. Mole pra nós.
Isso, vai. Isso.
Ai, caralho, eu falei.
Oh, Let's hat mich gerade gefickt, Alter.
The perfect moment doesn't exit.
Wake up!
Prends un Max Mark ici.
Ouais, s'il te plaît. Attention.
You can order with Alexa. Alexa, may I order so I can help you? This is a blender lid. I'm sorry, Alexa is right there. Hi, Alexa.
Сейчас что-то будет.
Давай.
Снизу, присесть, сверху.
Я ему сейчас остановлю. Вау, это что такое? Иди нахуй, нету места нахуй. Иди нахуй, нету места, нету места. Psych. Kind of what? You're going in the oven tonight.
No doubt, this guy's getting gold in weightlifting.
Это контент. Это контент. Опа, вот.
Пусть думают, что мы спортсмены. За мной!
Love it when holidays have diversity. Got Santa Claus, Sancho Claus, Blanta, Jimmy Buffett Claus, Wizard Claus, Lumberjack Claus. Sick.
Блять, тут немного пережарил. А, вот тут охуй.
Таргум, бустер, радио, таблет, 225, 65!
Food radar activated.
I'm telling you, it's like a sentinel or something. I told you!
What the heck?
Bro, that's creepy as shit.
Look, doors closing. المحطة الأخيرة.
No.
Ludzie, którzy normalnie ozdabiają swoje domy na święta. Ludzie, którzy nie mają na co wydać pieniędzy.
Nothing can stop this mindset.
Where's the phone?
Bro got a bit carried away.
Ya lo antes de tiempo.
Nos quiere impresionar, nos quiere impresionar.
Aí galera, a tilápia aí mandando ver na pizza.
Alright, I put the cap on and I took these plugs out. I got this blocked up so I don't spray all over my motor. Y'all ready for this? Bet this shit's gonna go flying. Oh, bomba club.
Oh, Russell.
Russell, show me some bounce, Russell. Ah, no, Russell!
These chips are fucking fly.
Oh! No! No! No fucking way!
Thanks, I like your dog.
¿Tiene la llave, maestro, usted?
Está bloqueado. Échalo del otro lado.
El hijo de puta.
Mission failed.
Żebyś się nie zajebał o ten.
Dobra. Dawaj, dawaj, dawaj. No, ale co ty?
That was hilarious.
Your girl just got her license. Come on, get in. I won't hit any curb.
Michael Douglas, Robert Duvall.
Sir, that's a whole potato family.
С меня хватит.
Give me 5. Yes, good girl.
What the hell? Hey, come on, Doug. Hold it right. Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Yoink. Bro came to review the paintings.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Ебать, вот так вот едешь, аккуратненько хочешь вот сюда завернуть, аккуратно. С ручником, бля, ебаный рот, это чё? Ебаный рот, да ну нахуй, разбортировал колесо. Блядь, да ну нахуй, как теперь?
Ой, ты моя маленькая собачечка какая. Ой, сладкая, привет. Ой, нахуй, блядь.
Oh my god, there's a ghost! Do you guys see that? There's a ghost!
О, полпьяно. Столбики съебываются. Куда столбики съебываются? Непонятно. Устали на работе.
Bruh. Huh?
Sounds like a chainsaw on max volume.
Oh my god! Get out!
Say
Oh, jeez. This is what true satisfaction looks like.
You can't though.
Oh no.
No, he's got one leg like me.
This is unbelievable.
Dude.
Is this it?
Yeah, quickly.
No, that's the...
Quick.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the f, man?
Oh, that's a good move. That's a good move. Get it. Oh, get it.
Escucha nuestras súplicas, nos ponemos de pie. Escuchemos el Evangelio y aclamamos.
What the heck?
What the hell?
What the f?
He knows exactly what he wants.
I want to sit back and relax and enjoy my evening. When all of a sudden...
Oh. Right, we're done. Oh.
You got some right here. You got some right here.
A superior specimen.
I'm getting ready to take off. If you mind getting off my car.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. That my car.
¡Cállate! ¡Cállate, tonto! Comisario, tienes que calmarte. ¡No es el momento de calmarme!
Dieser Anblick habe ich vom Herzen vermisst. Ja,
This dog is built like water.
Give it to me!
Shoot it, MJ!
Give me some time! Oh no!
MJ, what are you doing?
You know I'm bad!
Nyt mä kysyn vittu yksi kysymys, nää vittun saatana taloyhtiöfirmat. Pystyykö tossa mies vittu kävelemään? Where is the hiekotus? Vittu mä en...
Чисто вайп ЮАРа. Идешь, смотришь красоты, никого не трогаешь. А тут раз. Добрый день, котики.
Yeah, we come on. Get back here. Okay. Why should it be worse?
Right, speak to staff or text police 61016. We'll sort it.
Look.
Oh, my cup holders are like this, okay? So you pull it out, right? Oh, I want to get something in my center console. Whoop.
Good job, we're good.
That's not drifting, that's levitating.
But you're an Uber. We are literally paying you for this ride.
I don't care. I don't want to drive it. It's disgusting.
Lowest amount of bounces.
Right, how many bounces did you do?
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try
Right, get out of the way because I'm going to come right off the
She's
end.
going to mow all the kids down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pero se fue y yo amarré como llevo para el perro ahí, mírala. El perro está así. Bueno.
Так, сделали Роману ворота. Проверяю.
But what are we updating on your phone? I'm confused.
Well, we're eliminating people.
Why?
They're dead.
Grandpa?
I mean, Jesus Christ, how can I...
No, ma non è un... Ma dai, ma Dio du Dio! Guarda, il documento intanto,
Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh, wow! Wow! Wow!
Level 1 wizard meets level 100.
Oh! How did you shoot him, abi? Dai in faccia!
Oh no. What's my gun, man? Hey.
Oh, careful now. 10 out of 10.
With the others diving for dry track behind, and this amazing footage was captured as the water tank broke free and then somehow lodged itself.
Bruh. Oh my God! Oh shit. No. That wasn't a part of the video though.
Okay.
He wanted a photo, got a free eye exam.
O problema é que é pesada a frigideira.